Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my no makeup tutorial. So it's going to be like my day skincare routine when I want to just look like a little bit put together, but wearing absolutely no makeup except for like a tinted lip balm, as you can see here. So if you like to see how I get this nice fresh glow, please keep watching. So when I do my no makeup skincare routine, if I just don't feel like wearing any makeup but I want to go out in public, this is what I do. So you guys are gonna like, when I tell you what I wash my face with, every time I get a facial, well, I've gone to the same lady like 4 or 5 times now, so she already knows, but I wash my face with bar soap. So I actually use Safeguard. It's not going to pick up because it is just so light with the lights, but this is 99.9% like antibacterial bar soap. I know, I'm going against everything that we've been told, right? But this is the only thing that I feel like actually gets my skin clean, and yeah, I'm sure it does strip my face of some natural oils. That's probably why I have dry skin, but it helps me get rid of pimples. So if I have like a breakout like right here, I have one right here and one right here, like they don't last as long when I use Safeguard, and I don't get as many breakouts when I use Safeguard. Also, if I don't use a lot of skincare products, I don't break out as much either. So I've tried to like condense what I use and only use like a few products like here and there, and not like 10 serums, 10 eye serums, like 5 moisturizers. You know, like some people have like a 20 step like skincare routine, and I don't do that anymore, and I think it's really helped my skin. So the first thing I do is I wash my face with Safeguard. I just got out of the shower, so I just did that in the shower, and then I use this like every other day. This is the Thayers, I think is how you say it, Witch Hazel Aloe Vera Formula alcohol-free toner, and I have the rose petal one. So I like to get these like cotton rounds from Target that I really like, and then I just put some on there, and then I wipe it all over my face and my neck. So that's my second step. And then my third and fourth step I combine, and since I've been like a self-tanner all of a sudden, my face will not hold the tan. I know, I actually tried the Bondi Sands tan remover on my hands because I put too much and it didn't work, so that's a complete waste of money. But anyways, yeah, so my hands look totally crazy, but for some reason the self-tan just will not stick to my face or my neck really. Like my arms and my legs will get super tan from self-tanner, but my stomach, my chest, and like my neck and stuff won't get as dark as my arms. I don't know. I have no idea, right? But anyways, so I found this stuff. I think I saw it on Casey Holmes' YouTube channel like last year. This is from Drunk Elephant, and it's the D-Bronzi Anti-Pollution Sunshine Serum. It is a Guard Plus Glow Cocoa Extract Platinum Peptides long shot of sunshine without damaging effects. It says add a pump of D-Bronzi to any Drunk Elephant serum, oil, or moisturizer for a gorgeous glow and potent dose of protective antioxidants, omega fatty acids. Tip, may be applied to face, chest, legs, or anywhere else you want a touch of bronze. So I've been using this, and I mix it in with the moisturizer that I'm using at the moment. 1 pump of this and a little bit of this, mix it together in my hands like I'm going to show you, and I put it all over my face and my neck, and it just really helps bring the color from here to my face, so my face is like the same color as my neck is what I'm saying, so I don't look like totally crazy when I go out in public, and my face is a lot lighter than neck down, you know what I mean? So this is the moisturizer I'm using right now, and this is from Elemis. It's the Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. I believe I got this in a Boxy Luxe. It says it reduces the appearance of wrinkles and improves skin firmness. This smells like summer to me. I don't know what it is. It kind of has like a citrus sunscreen lotion kind of smell, but not in a bad way, and I just really like it. So I'm gonna take my finger, and I usually do about this much, and I just put it in my hand. So I put it in my hand like this, and then I take the Drunk Elephant, and then I just do one whole entire pump of that. And I just go like this. And this is what it looks like. And then I just put it everywhere. I like to do this before I blow dry my hair and stuff because I have bangs. So my bangs are so like annoying sometimes, and if I blow them straight down and then have to put them back and then I try to put them back down again, I have to like re-wet them and blow them dry. So I like to do all this before I even do that. So this is what it looks like, and you can add like more than one pump. Like the day after I self-tan, I usually do like a pump and a half of this in my moisturizer because like my tan's a little bit darker. But I just like this like natural glow that this gives. I just really, really like it. But this stuff does transfer. So if I touch my face throughout the day, it gets on my fingers, and that's like the one thing I don't like. So for eye cream, I'm going to be using the Origins Ginseng eye cream. This is what it looks like. It's refreshing eye cream to brighten and depuff, and it has like a highlight kind of like mixed in with it. So if you don't like that, you probably won't like this, but I really like it. It's like a salmon-y kind of color, and I really like it, especially on days that I do this, because I feel like it just looks better. You'll see. So this is what I have. I'm almost out. I usually take the finger that has the shortest fingernail. But it looks like all mine are the same length right now. And you don't need a lot of this. Sometimes I get carried away, but. And then I just use my ring finger and I kind of drag it down. I think I need a little bit more. I kind of drag it down like on my cheeks because it does have that like I said, like that highlighter effect to it. So I just want to make sure it's like brought down and it's not just right underneath my eye that is like illuminating, you know what I mean? See, how pretty is that? I just really like how it looks. And then my final step for my face is I've been using this. I found it at Whole Foods. This is from Heritage Store. It's the Rose Petals Rose Water. It says Aromatherapy Mist Body Splash from European Roses. So just for like a refresher, I like to put this on my face and my neck as well. I don't know if it does anything, but it smells really good. So for lips, I like to use, okay, it depends on the mood I'm in, but I like to use like kind of like a lip stain sometimes and then go on top of it with a gloss. So I have these two Lancome Balm in Loves, and I think I'm going to use the pinker one. Yeah. So I'm going to use this one right here, and it's just like a sheer balm tint. This is in the shade 110 Urban Ballet. So I'm going to take this and get it on my teeth too, I guess. Gross. And it just gives like a little color. The other shade I have is 120 Coral Electric, which is a shade right here. So they're fairly similar, but so see how it just gives like a light pink to it. And then I like, this is my favorite lip gloss, balm lip mask, whatever that I've ever tried. I have so many backups upstairs. This is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. It comes in this little pot right here. It smells so good. I've had this forever and I thought I would run out of it really fast, but I haven't. So I just put my finger in there and I take about that much, just like the tip of my finger, and then I apply that. And then I like to wear a towel too, because if I get too much, I just wipe it on there. So yeah, that is my no makeup skincare routine for days that I don't feel like putting on makeup, but I still want to look a little bit put together, like a little bit of like a healthy glow. So let me know what you guys think of this video in the comments below, and let me know like certain things that you guys use that you think I would like. Please don't forget to subscribe and please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.